Hi everyone, it's Jerry, and I was just sent this 3-in-1 compact travel charger. This thing is absolutely fantastic. I have opened this up already. I don't normally talk a whole lot about the quality of products, but this thing is on point. This has quality written all over it, everything from the box to everything in it, and I'm excited to show it to you guys. This product here, it comes in either a gray or a silver. They've sent me a silver one. It also does come in a gray, which is displayed on the box. If you come in close here, I can show you a little bit more about this. It comes in a nice compact case that you can use for travel. This case is a nice hard-backed clamshell type case with a nice zipper on it that unzips, unfolds, and everything that you need is inside. It's got an instruction guide. They do come with the power cord here, which is a USB to USB-C that's going to plug into the power brick that is provided, which is great. You can also just plug it into a regular USB-A. We're going to be using the brick that they provided and plugging that in over here. This is a 15-watt phone charger. It is a box says it is a 3-watt ear pod charger and a 2.5-watt charger for your watch. But this thing is extremely heavy. It's very nice, solid design on this thing. It expands out like this so that you have access to all of your places to put your ear pods, your phone. It plugs in the back right here. Now this base it's on, it actually is a swivel base that actually rotates, so you can rotate this base any direction that you need to, which is another great option. It also tilts and everything for your phone, so that again, if you're going to put your phone on here, MagSafe charging design, charges the phone and everything like that. You can leave it sideways, you can rotate it this direction if you'd prefer. You've got your watch that will clip onto the back. We'll charge your watch as well on the back there. And then of course you've got your ear pods that you can charge here on that part there. So everything that you've got is all in a nice compact design that again is completely rotatable, changeable. Really solid product, really liking every quality that was put into this product, including all the features that it provides. Absolutely love it.